Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we got a bit of a different video for you here. So we just got our first big snowfall here in Wisconsin. So I'm not exactly sure what the ended up total. They said anywhere from 9 to 13 inches, and we definitely got somewhere in the middle there because we got quite a bit here. It's like a foot difference right here from what's been plowed and what hasn't been. So my dad's out plowing snow with our blade tractor. That's how we plow snow in the winter out there. So I guess we'll just kind of walk you through how we deal with all this snow, since it's going to be a bit of a pain for a little while here. So the first thing we're going to try to accomplish here today is mixing feed and stuff for our cows. So right now we're still mixing feed in the morning here in a little bit. A couple days we're going to switch to feeding at night, so that way when you have big snows and you have to deal with them in the morning, you don't have to try to mix some feed and stuff. So inside this shed here we got one of our mixer tractors. So we got to try to get her push through the snow here. Luckily my dad would clean up some of this. I'm not gonna have to drive through a foot of snow to back the tractor up, but get this door open, then we'll get the tractor fired up. So I just got in here. I got our John Deere 4430 fired up, so that way we can get going here. So this is the tractor we have on our mixer year round. So when it comes to snow and stuff, these are necessary. You need to have chains on the tractor, because without those you're just sliding around everywhere, especially considering that we have lots of hills on our farm. Those help out a lot. So we put the chains on 2 days ago ready for this, and now the snow actually came and we can actually be able to drive around the farm and stuff without being slid around a bunch. So we're gonna get this pulled out and we'll get the other tractor ready to go. So I'm putting fuel on my tractor here quick for mixing feed, but I'm gonna show you our next project for the day after we're done mixing feed here is cleaning out pens, because all the outdoor pens have like 2 to 3 feet of snow in them just from blowing off the roof and blowing from all over the place. So that's the real challenge, because once my dad pushes snow around and stuff and we the chains on the mixer, it's actually not too bad mixing feed when you have this much snow. But this is the real challenge, because this will take double or triple the amount of time and effort it usually would take without all the snow in here. So we're gonna get working on that here pretty quick once we get done mixing feed, so we're done before it can start out yet today. So even though we even have chains on this mixer tractor, it's still a little bit hard to get up these hills and stuff, so you gotta lock the diff in and you gotta hit it with a little speed and normally you're okay. Spin a little bit, but nothing really good. This probably makes us look really unprofessional, but I mean that's what you gotta do with this stuff. I'm just about done mixing feed here. Me and Duke worked on that when my dad plowed snow, so I just got to run out the last mixer for the heifers here. So we're on to the next fun project, which is cleaning out pens. So it doesn't look like it, but most of this is actually snow. It's kind of packed in by the cows. So I'll show you just how much. There's probably about, to the top of my boots, there's like 4, 5, 6 inches in some of the taller spots. And so most of that snow, like I said, it doesn't look like it, but so there's probably only be like about an inch here normally. So now it's all packed in. There's gonna be quite a bit of snow here. You can see how tall it is. Well, the camera might not show, but it's quite a bit taller where there's no snow inside there. So we gotta clean this pen out, and then our other heifer pen for sure here quick. So there'll be a couple spare full loads here. So it's gonna take a little time to get all this cleaned up. This barn's even worse. This barn has like 2 feet of snow in it in some spots, and it's all snow, so it's just time consuming. My dad already cleaned out the front, so we gotta do the back here yet. So this takes a little more time. Like right here there's like a pile of snow that's like 3 feet tall, so this takes a little bit of time to do all this stuff. Out here hauling manure, snow. More snow than manure at this point. So as you can see here, we got the spreader pretty full, but the snow's comparatively light compared to manure and stuff, so you can put a little bit more in it. So this is our second extremely full spreader that we've hauled out, and we got probably like 2 more to go. So honestly, we've already probably hauled out more manure than we would manure/snow than we'd have to do in a normal day when we're cleaning these 2 barns out. So just keep moving and try to finish up here yet. Just got all the animals let back in. After we got done cleaning them out, we gave them a bunch of warm bedding so that way they're nice and cozy. It's supposed to start getting pretty cold here the next couple of days, so just as a short look at how we deal with a foot of snow. We don't really actually have that much snow all at once very often in Wisconsin anymore. So thanks for watching, and I guess I get to go celebrate my 18th birthday now.